wine bottle, we had an idea of making kind of a lava lamp with putting water and oil in it, and depending on the color of the wine bottle, color lava lamp changes. And for the plastic bottle, you can cut the top off, and you know this IKEA clip you clip onto your chips packet if you're not done eating it, right? No. So you can stick the plastic bag through the hole and screw the top on, and it works as a clip.
Like you bend the top, so this is like the part where you screw the thing, and you put the plastic bag and you just bend it over and screw over it, and then it's And then since we don't want to waste the rest of the bottle, what we were saying was for the bottom half of it we would do, because in science we kind of do this too, we get like soil and rocks and get that all, and then you put a seed in there, and then you just wait for it to grow, and you just water it, and like kind of like what the other group said. And Pooja, you want to say your music?
Like we can do this adding on to I don't remember which group, but you guys said you can flow on with water in the wine bottle. We could use that as like one instrument, and then I had another idea of in the wine bottle you can put sand or like dry rice, and like you can like use it as like a shaking. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? That's
Okay.
I'm going to make one, you put it like this, and the rainwater goes through here, and it, since it comes through the bottom, it like waters a certain area.
Oh, cool, like plant watering or something? Very cool.
Rains, and you want a particular like point of land to like get the rain. You hang it up, and the rain all goes in here, and it comes out like a little hole.
Okay, so can we test it out and see?
I'll do it.
Like if you want to water your plants, and you want that certain plant to be watered.
So is there a reason why you want to water a plant more diffused, water diffused like that, instead of just flopping on?
Because if you get it all over the leaves and it kind of makes holes inside the soil, which you don't want like it to move the soil around. So if you just have little drips, it just gets the points that you want rather than getting a hole inside the soil.
To like be a clip for a plastic bag, but the plastic bag is too big.
Is there another way you can feed that plastic bag through it?
No.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's shove it in.
Here, just get that much.
Okay, so this is like a clip, and as you can see there's sand inside this plastic bag. If you turn it over, nothing falls. So if you have like chips and stuff, you can do this instead of buying one of those IKEA clips. This is a soda sprinkler. There are holes in the bottom of the bottles. Water flies that way.
For her body. Not too much water, just enough.
Can anybody hear you?
This is a snow globe.
If you flip it upside down, these things are, this is kind of not a really eco-friendly thing, but this is kind of one of those things you can just do for fun. You know, when you just have a lot of extra bottles and you just want to do something creative. So you just kind of like, these would be like little houses, and they're like, and then, yeah, and then that's cool.
And this one, if you fill it with water, it comes out the bottom here, and there's a little hole, and so it will like hit a certain part of the ground. So when it rains, if you just want like the rain to mostly hit a certain area, it will.
So like if you want to water plants, then you just put it over the plant that you want. And the thing that we were talking about with Miss Paco was that if you had just a soil. It would make like little holes and kind of misplace the water. So it's kind of like, this is kind of like what they were saying was mimicking the rain. And you would just kind of do this, and it wouldn't make a bunch of holes in the water. It would just, in the soil, it would just get like the sparks that you want. So yeah.
And this is like, it's just, you could just use this as like a flower pot kind of thing. So you would like take your soil or sand or whatever, like this is sand, and then you would like plant your seed, and then like a flower would grow.
The gutter. Okay, that's a gutter thing.
It didn't work out well.
Like,
Explain your idea of it.
like
Finish it.
it was like if we had water and like and you wanted to like take it from like a main stream somewhere else, so like from like that stream, if you wanted to put it to like a certain like garden area or something, like you could like just connect it and like make the water like there come in.
Rather than those man-made streams.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, good.